Alright guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to edit the URL of your post or pages on your website. You want to edit the URL of the post and the pages on your website. So let me quickly show you how you can do that. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your website, and I'm going to move to one of my websites right here. So this is one of my websites here, and I want to edit the URL of one of my page here. So let's go ahead. So you can see all your pages here. If you want to see all your page, if it is post, you can see all your posts here. If it is pages, you can just go down here and see all your pages there. So let's say post here. I want to edit the URL. So I'm going to show you how to do that with Classic Editor as well as the Block Editor. So let's go ahead and do it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to edit this post with Classic Editor. So let's go ahead and edit it with Classic Editor. So this is the URL here. This is the title of the post here. This is the title of the post in here, and this is the URL. So to edit the URL, of this post here, you need to click this edit box here. So when you click the edit box, you can be able to edit it. Okay. So if you change anything on this area here, this one is still going to remain the same until you click on this OK here. Okay. So if you want to change anything here, let's say I want to change it to the title here. So you can just grab it, copy it, and then you can paste it in here. Okay. And when you finish, you're going to hit OK, and that is it. That's how you edit. That's how you edit the post URL. So the URL is in here. The post title is this one right here. Okay. So when you finish, you are going to scroll to publish here, and you'll be able to publish it right there. So scroll down and click publish right there. So let's go ahead and publish. So that's the first method, using the Classic Editor. So now let's use the Block Editor. I'm going to show you how to do that on Block Editor too. So let's switch this post to Block Editor right now and do it. So to switch this post to Block Editor, you can just click switch to Block Editor right here. So right now we're on the block page here, so we are using the Block Editor right now. So to convert this post to Block Editor, you need to click the convert to Block Editor here at the top. So that will convert this post to Block Editor. Now the post is on Block Editor. So as you can see now, we don't have anything. Everything is different from here. So we want to edit the URL. So to do that, we are going to click on this area here. So we're going to pop up this thing here. So here you can edit the post in here. You can edit the summary here, the visibility, the URL. So here is where you can edit the URL. So this is the URL right there. So when you grab the URL here, when you click the URL here and you highlight it, then you right click your mouse and drop the new words that you want to add. So this is it right there. Okay, and that is it right there. So when you finish, you click update. So from here you can view your posts or pages. So if you click here, you can view it right away. And this is the post right there. So now the post URL has been changed. So as you can see right there, we've changed the URL here. So that's how you change the, so that's how you edit the URL of your page or post on your website. So using the classic editor or block editor. So guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial here. If you guys have any question or have anything to say about this video, please let me know in the comment area down below. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.